Tonight, a new system and new grades for Ohio school districts, now A through F, and locally, a lot of Fs.
And they're also being scored on 9 different criteria, but that number will grow to 18. Our Nicole Grigg breaks down why one district is defending its not so good grades.
Springfield City Schools, F, D, F, F.
It stands for performance. We haven't got to the line.
Those grades mean the district didn't meet the standards set by the state for certain criteria. But for other criteria, Springfield scored A, C, A.
But A's on progress. Our children are outperforming in terms of progress most of the children in Ohio.
The Ohio's Department of Education released its school report cards today, with its brand new grading system very different from the past. But districts can barely access them to see what they're doing wrong because the system was down just about all day.
We are not failures.
Dr. David Estrop has been Springfield superintendent for 5 years. He's fired up, especially because news articles said expect the new grades to be harsh.
So we're going to have 3 years of bad experiences in terms of grades until we get adjusted to the new system.
So it's great that they're making some progress, but I would not ever minimize those F's and D's.
Some, like Felena Crite, who put 3 kids through the district, say there has to be some truth to the grades.
The issues that are still at hand for how do we prepare children for the lives they're going to live in 10 to 15 years, there's still a lot to be done.
Nicole Grigg, Fox 45 News.
Now, Springfield City Schools has an 80% poverty rate, and we're told these report cards, however, won't affect funding or students, just teachers and their evaluations.